In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for Hostinger. First, make sure you're signed in to your Hostinger account. Once you're inside your dashboard, the process is very straightforward, and everything you need is located within your account settings. Start by opening your Hostinger account homepage and looking for your Profile section. This is usually where your personal account options and billing settings are stored. Click on your profile to open the account menu. If you're new to the platform, this is an important area to get familiar with because it's where you'll manage payments, subscriptions, and other account-related details. From there, click on Billing. This section is where Hostinger keeps all of your payment and purchase information. You'll be able to review how payments are handled and access the settings needed before buying any hosting plan, domain, or other service. Next, click on Payment Methods. In this area, you'll see the payment methods currently connected to your account. If you already added one before, it should appear here. If not, this is where you can add a new payment method so your account is ready for purchases. Take a moment to make sure the information is correct before continuing, since having an updated payment method will help avoid issues during checkout. Once your payment method is added and saved, you're ready to start buying plans on Hostinger. For example, if you want to purchase a domain, you can simply browse to the product you want and add it to your cart. The same idea applies if you're buying hosting plans or other services. Just choose what you need, place it in the cart, and continue to check out using the payment method you already set up. One helpful tip is to set up your payment method before you begin shopping, especially if you're planning to buy quickly or compare different plans. That way the checkout process is smoother and you won't need to stop in the middle to enter payment details. So, to recap, log into your Hostinger account, click your profile, go to Billing, open Payment Methods, add your preferred payment option, and then you can start purchasing plans or domains by adding them to your cart. That's it. Once everything is set up, paying for services on Hostinger becomes a simple and fast process.